Hello guys, welcome back to my channel today. This is just a very quick update video of what I've been doing with my in between two masters painting. I just wanted to give you a very quick update. This video is just going to be a few seconds long, so I just wanted to give you just a quick overview of what I am doing with this painting. As you can see, I've actually progressed somewhat. Yeah, just kind of take a quick look of where I've progressed to with the horse, the dragon, and the other parts of the painting. I'm happy how it's going, where it's going. If you have any questions at all about this painting or what my end goal is, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and like on this video. So I will be seeing you very soon for the next following continuation of this series for my tutorial for the this painting. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Hi, thanks guys for stopping by and seeing my wonderful, awesome tutorials. I hope to see you guys again. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel and the videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also there's my official website at Zenkiea.com. If you want to buy any type of new art deals, any drawings, paintings, they're all there for you to see. It'll follow you over there. Just follow it over to the square.com website, where you can actually buy and make purchases of everything. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out.